East African Community member states have been challenged to upscale manufacturing activities to drive industrialization of the region at a faster pace. This emerged during the ongoing 21st edition of the East African Community Trade Fair in Mwanza, Tanzania, that is seeking to promote innovation and capacity building among micro, small and medium enterprises within the region. Wycliffe Oketch reports.
At the official opening of the 21st edition of the EAC Trade Fair in Mwanza, Tanzania on Sunday, Monday was dedicated to exhibitors from Uganda to showcase their products. Uganda's Mensa Kabanda said EAC member states have the potential to grow to middle-income status if micro, small and medium enterprises get adequate financing.
This exhibition brings together small and medium enterprises from the East African partner states, commonly known as the Juakali, Nguvu Kazi, who represent the informal sector. This sector has the majority of entrepreneurs and very vital in the region's development process. If handled properly, this sector can be a driver towards achieving middle-income status by 2050, as envisioned by the East African Development Strategy.
Delegates underscored the need for member states to prioritize buying goods from EAC partner states to develop the East African economy.
But of course, within EAC, we are talking about promote buy East Africa and promote East Africa as well. So we need to deal with our goods first before we look for other goods from outside. According to Kabanda, who was the chief guest for the day, creation of an enabling environment for the micro, small and medium enterprises to thrive is the sure way to realize industrialization and economic integration within the region.
Let the entrepreneurs learn to believe in themselves, to believe that they can make a difference in whatever enterprise they are involved in. Let them focus and aim higher, benchmark with their colleagues and think out of the box. Let the politicians and technocrats make the dream of the entrepreneurs a reality by committing to support their objectives.
The Kenyan Day at the ongoing EAC Trade Fair will be on Wednesday this week. The trade fair, which is a platform to showcase for locally made products, has attracted about 1,000 micro, small and medium enterprises, of which 300 are Kenyan. Wycliffe Oketch reporting from Mwanza, Tanzania.